Welcome to ENT 312. I'm so thrilled that you're a part of this class. So I wanted to take a moment to walk you through Blackboard so that you feel comfortable with the how to navigate and accessing all the course material. So when you log into Blackboard, this is what you should see. You should see a Start Here menu, a course guide, an assignments and projects tab, and then a quizzes and exams tab. And that's to try to break everything up so that it's really clear and easy to navigate. If you click on Start Here, this welcome video will be posted underneath the syllabus as soon as I get it recorded. You also have access to the syllabus, the textbook here. Then your course guide is sort of how you will navigate the course the entire semester. So this is what will pop up when you click that link. Each week is linked so that it goes directly to the material that you'll need to access. So for example, you'll see like week 1 and you'll have some articles that you need to read in addition to the Start Here in chapter 1 of textbook materials, and then you'll want to watch the course intro. You'll want to access the supplementary lecture. You'll want to watch these videos, access the slides, like all that information is here for you. This is for every week. It also tells you what's due and a little like, so what? Why is this information important? And so this will be a really helpful resource. The nice thing by using this is that anytime I update it, it's automatically updated for you. So if you go in and you click the link and you take a look at it each week and you follow along, then you should be able to keep up to date, no problem. I will more than likely have everything up to exam 1 updated in Blackboard prior, hopefully, to the start of the semester, if no later than like the end of the first week of classes. I don't know that I'll have all the lectures posted, but I'll have all the information so you can sort of see the structure and flow of the course. But don't stress out if the lectures aren't there. They will get updated. Sometimes I may just be a week ahead of you. I am redoing all the lectures this semester to try to make sure they're as up to date as possible. So just keep in mind that those will be available always by the beginning of the week in which we cover the material. You'll have an optional quiz each week. If you read in the syllabus, it tells you that you're rewarded at the end of the semester if you take all the optional quizzes. So you've seen the course guide. Again, don't forget, all you have to do is just click the little link on a particular week. You can see exactly what's going on, and it's all right there at your fingertips. Then we have our discussion board, which is packed back. During the first week, you only have an introduction post, but after that, you'll have weekly discussion posts. Your question for your group, and so first week, everybody is doing the same post. Second week, I'll group you into like teams of 10, and you'll work in that group on your discussions the rest of the semester. That's just to keep it manageable. If we did all 50 people at once, it would likely get out of hand. So what you'll do is you need to post a question by Thursday of each week, starting in week 2. And then you have to post a response by Sunday. The reason I break it up is to make sure that there are actually questions posted ahead of time that you'll need to provide a response to. All the information about Pikeback is available in the syllabus. You'll be able to get on there and explore. If you have any questions, I'm here to help. I want to make sure that this is a seamless process and to try to get you as up to speed as possible on that. But it will take you a minute to get adjusted, and that's no problem. We'll all learn together. Then you have a student info sheet that's due in the first week. All your assignments are here. You also have a feasibility project. All the information is there right now for you before I assign teams. In week 2, at the very beginning, I'll assign teams. So I'll actually assign you to a team, and then there will be team assignments that will be available to your team. I'll take into consideration some of the stuff you put in the student info sheet based on like your major and your classification, and try to mix the groups up a bit. You also have an entrepreneur interview that's due right after fall break. So if you want to go home and interview someone, you absolutely can. But it's a really fun assignment that, as long as you follow the instructions, is pretty easy. But I always get feedback from students that was one of the most valuable assignments that they had all semester. And then we'll do quizzes and exams. So each week you'll have the opportunity to do an optional quiz, and you can take it as many times as you want. But it's just to keep you accountable and make sure you're reading the material. So I would encourage you, treat it like an actual exam. Our exams are very tightly timed. They are multiple choice, but they tend to be very applied, so that you have to understand the concept in order to be able to answer it. It won't just be definitional, something that you can control F and look up in the e-text. So just as a heads up there. Blackboard will be our primary mechanism for communication. I'm always happy to set up a meeting or a time to Zoom if that's something that you need or that is useful. So please do not hesitate to ask questions. I'm here to help. I think you'll see on the intro video and then the like first week lecture that I really do want you to learn about this material. Any questions at all about Blackboard, please just let me know. I look forward to working with you this semester.